Our final day of STEM camp was full of short cycle activities that kept the kids moving. We started off with a fun game of Kahoot that tested the students on their acquisition of drone, 3D printing, and coding vocabulary. After that, we quickly moved into a drone dance challenge. Teams partnered up to create a 10-second drone dance in which they would synchronize their drones to go through a series of maneuvers. This required a lot of communication skills for the students.
3. Okay, left. Going right. Left. Up. Down. Land.
Task 3. Students had to use the Sphero EDU app to create a series of code that would allow them to play the game Hot Potato with Sphero. I didn't tell them that the program was already in the app. They had to create it from scratch.
Oh, you're supposed to use your... Oh, shit. Oh, you're out!
The students' final task before lunch required them to first search the site Thingiverse for good 3D printing files that teachers could use in their class. Then they moved into Tinkercad to build a couple samples of projects that teachers might want to try out. From fraction manipulatives to landmarks, Roman soldiers, and the periodic table, these students found some wonderful examples of ways teachers could use 3D printing in the classroom. Our final hours of camp were spent with Sphero racing and drone racing. The gym was divided up into 2 halves in which students would rotate back and forth and race their partner. It's a photo finish. What? Our 2 finalists, Marshall and Micah, starting the course. Micah is clearly ahead. He's crossed through the first loop. He is crossed through the second loop. Marshall is steady in his flight. Micah is preparing to land. See if he can stick the landing here. Looks like he's down. Oh, he's down. Flip it over, let's go. Oh, there's a prop. He's got to reattach his prop. Marshall must have missed that second one. And he's coming back. Put it on the other side of it. Micah's through.
Oh, Marshall!
Unless there's a crash, it looks like our winner of the very first ever PMMS drone race is Micah. Nice. STEM camp was a success. Students learned how to use 3D modeling software for printing. They had fun building designs for BattleBots. They did a great job working together and helping each other out, and they made the week just fly by. It was a pleasure working with these students.